Hello again, this is my second video. I'm going to introduce myself now. My name is Ollie. I'm 13 and a small rant creator. I will post other stuff than rants, but I will post rants mainly. I won't post daily though. I will try post at least a few times a week, but I am a little lazy, so we will see. If you saw my first post, I will change layout because I think it is fun. I was posting on my main account, but it got deleted for some reason. So if you were following at It's Your Diva Sharky or just Sharky, that's me. IDK what to say more. I don't think this post will get so many views, but if you see this, welcome. Ollie out.